Hello friends, I'm Regina. Welcome to my channel. And this is my entry into hashtag Wednesday Embellies, an open collaboration hosted by Linnae at Fashionably 50 something. And so this is what I embellished. I made a handmade Christmas card. So I will be putting it in with a Christmas gift tomorrow. So I want to go ahead and get this recorded. So it's handmade. I did some beautiful red cardstock. So this is the back. The stickers on the back. And then that's the front. Okay, and so I did the layering there with the cute little Santa. Okay, let's see. So I did the pocket just by folding up the double pockets by folding up the cardstock and then rounding it a little bit. It's similar to the one that I posted the other day. Okay, so so the front pocket is okay, I've got this because this is going to be included in my son's gift, and it's my son, his wife, and their son. So that's the three of them in the little gift tag, which I'll personalize that. That cute, the little penguin holding his cup of cocoa. Okay, so yeah, that's very cute. Okay, and then we've got the little the little memo pad sheet here with the cute penguins. Because like I said, it's my son, his wife, and their son, and his favorite color is green. So he's the one with the green bow tie. So there's Santa's favorites. So the it was a little bit, the memo list was a little bit long, so I just folded it. I could have cut it, but I just folded it to fit down in the pocket. And then behind that is two kind of postcard like things that I got from Temu, a set of the Christmas postcards, and I've never seen anything like this. It's a vintage Santa Claus, and then the little angels are helping Santa, like cherubs, a joyful Yuletide. That's very cute. And then I hadn't seen one like this one either. This was another one that was in there. It's dark outside, so I hope the lighting's okay in here. I hope y'all can see. Try to adjust that light a little bit. I don't know. Okay, so yeah, there. Look at the little elves there. The cute little elves. Very cute. And Santa and Mrs. Santa. Okay, so put these back in here. And there's the pocket where I just folded up and glued. Of course, only, the two little sides there. So there's my pocket. So simple and easy. I learned how to do this from Melissa Sue, so I'll link her channel down below also, as well as Linnae's channel, who's hosting this collaboration. Okay, so we got that, and then I'm going to put this back in there. Since it's the three of them, I thought that was just perfect. And then the three of them there, with the three snowmen with the young little snowman. Okay, so let's get into this. So my son loves Batman. Okay, so this is some of the ready to fold papers here. So there's the front and the back. So you just fold them and make the journal with them. Okay, so that's one of the ready to fold papers. And then, I've got some construction paper, black construction paper to go with. He loves Batman, so I fussy cut out a Batman figure. Okay, fussy cut that out. And then we embellish this. This is a green, so this is some green cardstock here. I mean some green construction paper. Yeah, so there's the Joker, Batman, versus the Joker. Isn't this fun? Okay, so, and then on this one, I embellished these pages with, this is the reverse of the green construction paper, with Harley Quinn. That's what Joker's girlfriend in one of the series. She's the girlfriend of Joker. Okay, so Harley Quinn versus Batgirl. Okay, that adds a little extra interest. Okay, and look at this one, the highlight. Okay, this was I embellished this with some a fussy cut out. This is from Dollar Tree wrapping paper. Look how fun it was, like the Pet League, Super Pet League, whatever. So there was the dog of Superman, and then versus Batman's dog. Isn't that fun? Okay, And then I put who would win. And my grandson, he'll get a kick out of this. So this is the center of my, it's just got the, like the simple single signature. So that's the center where I put my wax thread through and tied that. Okay. Okay, to hold the journal together. Okay, so there's the back side. So there's Batman. And then it leaves room if he wanted to. I don't think he'll journal, but it leaves room. Plus, I like to make them simple. I don't like to really fill them up with stuff. Okay, so there's Robin, Batman's sidekick. Okay, stickers, okay. And there's Joker and Harley Quinn again. What do you call them? The evil duo. There's versus Batman. Batman symbol on the black construction paper. And this came from Walmart. It was the sturdy construction paper. So I just folded. I just laid them all out, cut them to size, and just folded everything, and put my needle and wax thread through the middle of it there, like Melissa showed us. Melissa, okay, so there's the then I put the Batman sticker there, and then there's the stickers Batman, Batman's car. I guess that's Batman jumping out of the car. That sticker, okay. And then this was the reverse, the ready to fold papers. That's the front, and then that's the base. It's so easy to make journals with these, the ready to fold papers. Okay. That's what Melissa and I have named them. We get them in all varieties of patterns and everything. So I found the Batman ones. The bat, the bat ones. I'm like, yeah, I gotta put that in my son's journal, which is like it's kind of a journal, but it's like a Christmas card too. So I guess it's a hybrid gift card journal. Okay. And then in the pocket here, did the same thing, glued there and there. It's just so easy, so super easy. This is like an envelope. It was a gift card envelope. So I've got Batman's dog, and then I also cut out that, and then also cut out DC League of Super Pets that was on the wrapping paper that I got it from. And some of it is like all fussy cut. Some of the little items from the wrapping paper, but sometimes it just sometimes it looks cute to fussy cut, and sometimes it looks better just to cut. So, and then on the back of the little envelope, one of the sticker books I've got, it's got the funny dog. So look at that. Does that look like, I don't know if it looks exactly, but I thought it was cute. The little dog with a grin and the pretty big eyes. So yes, so this, it was tucked down in the back here. So we embellished it here with this cute stuff. And then, you can put like a gift card there, or some money, or, whatever, some little sentimental things. So this will go in with this gift. Yeah, so I thought he would like that. Now that his mama has started making all these cool crafting stuff. Okay, and then, like I said, that's the back. Okay, well, thank y'all for watching. I wanted to show it to y'all because it'll be gone tomorrow. It's going to be tomorrow's Christmas Day, so this will go in with this gift. Okay, thank you so much, Linnae, for hosting this fun collaboration. Hashtag Wednesday Embellies. And which usually, when I do it, I participate, I'll upload on Wednesday, but just happened this time that it's not Wednesday, it's what? Sunday, Christmas Eve. Okay, so talking about the fussy cut versus the other. So this one just happened to be, I like the fussy cut. It's kind of on the craft paper, wrapping paper, and then I cut out the other, some Amazon paper that ties in, and then I just, of course, glued it on my cardstock. Okay, thank you, Linnae, for hosting, and thanks everyone for watching, and y'all have a very Merry Christmas, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye, friends.